Welcome to this guided meditation designed to help you overcome creative blocks. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Allow yourself to fully relax and settle into the present moment. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe out, imagine releasing any tension or stress you might be holding. Continue to breathe deeply and slowly, letting each breath help you feel more relaxed and at ease. Now, bring your awareness to a serene, flowing river. Picture this river in your mind's eye with its clear, cool water moving effortlessly. See how the water flows smoothly, carrying away any debris or obstacles in its path. Visualize your own creative blocks as small, dark stones or pieces of driftwood floating in the river. These represent your fears, doubts, or self-criticism that might be hindering your creativity. Observe these blocks without judgment, acknowledging their presence and the role they play. As you continue to watch the river, imagine that with each breath, the dark stones and pieces of driftwood are gently carried away by the current. Visualize the water becoming clearer and more vibrant as these blocks are released. Feel the sense of relief and lightness as your creativity is no longer obstructed. Now, affirm to yourself, I am open to new ideas. My creativity flows effortlessly. I release all fears and doubts. Repeat these affirmations silently or aloud, allowing them to sink deeply into your consciousness. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel and carry this sense of flow and openness with you as you move forward. Thank you for joining this meditation. Feel free to return to this practice anytime you need to release creative blocks and reconnect with your creative flow.